Oh, I hate this map. Why?
Oh, really, I like this map.
I like this map. It's great for Torb.
I like any
Every
map that
time.
I'm pushing a cart, basically.
Yeah, but like this compared to like King's Row, why can't I have
Yeah,
more
King's
King's
Row's better.
Row?
Yeah.
But I much prefer the cart pushing maps than anything else. It's just more fun.
Well, since
This
we're
map-
all consenting adults here, if something sounds wrong, doesn't look right, I'll switch.
Alright.
It's not gonna be like, you know, damn it, switch, you bastard.
Yeah. And it's like a
Right.
fight to get them to switch.
Yeah.
It's nothing.
Hey, we're all in gold. Like, you can basically run anything to be effective if you're good at it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you coordinate it at all?
And we seem like a pretty coordinated group, so
I once played against a team that had 5 support and 1 DPS, and we lost. We didn't know what to
What was the DPS?
do. Genji.
I knew you guys.
Oh man, that's rough.
was
Which
this
side are we
back
holding?
like was this back when Symmetra was support?
Oh, it was like last week.
Yikes, that's tough. Okay, they have a junk.
They're going right side.
They're going right.
Right side?
Okay.
Yeah. Good. They have
Yep, they got a Rhine
and a road.
shit.
Doomfist too?
I need help.
Oh shit.
Dunk is left.
I'm stuck. Oh my.
Did a lot of damage though.
Oh my. How am I still alive?
Mars, low, Mars.
Alright.
Okay, I have to fall back.
Whoever just kept me alive there, thank you. Oh my god.
The junk is, yeah, he's
You sleep.
for all.
Oh, Doom's gonna get me. Oh, I got him. Okay, but the Moira is good.
Moira left side.
He's falling back.
The Rhine coming up to the point.
They're grouping up.
Yeah, they're falling back to my boat.
I'm coming back. I have 88 on my health. 89.
They have Doom and Junk, so if anyone's got a far would be, they got nothing to counter.
Okay, they're going
Alright.
left.
They got my turret.
Oh, they're split up.
Oh yeah, he chose a really bad one. Get the Rhine, nice. Nice.
Dunk and Doom on point.
Okay, okay, coming
When he
back.
said they're going left, I was confused because I was looking at 3 people going right.
Oh. Yeah, there's like 4 people on the left.
Yeah, behind you, Doom.
That map doesn't matter.
Doom
3
battle.
people. Oh, good job. When we get them to a point where they just start to quit, we know we will.
Time to raise my
They're going top left. Going top left.
Yeah. Baron. Okay. Oh, careful. There's a road on the left. Oh my god, I got him. Uh-oh. Okay.
There's Elijah. Oh. Oh,
Not as good as last time.
Okay, there's
you'll do
an
that.
auto on you? On you? Is it?
Wait. Okay, now kill her.
There we go.
One punch.
One punch. Let's go.
30 seconds.
Dunk top left.
Okay, yeah, Ryan going left. Doom left, top left. I think same with the Moira. Doom coming in.
Doom got hit hard coming in.
Yeah. Definitely. Okay.
Oh man.
It's over, boys.
Oh well,
Yeah,
they
hold it.
shatter at least.
I think we lost it.
Yeah, well, they used shatter and whatever Moira's thing is.
I'm gonna try. No, actually, no.
Yeah,
not worth it.
they're-
Come back.
Oh man, they're committing to some stupid shit though. They're gonna lose their Rhine.
They did lose their Rhine. But they're gonna lose me, so I mean.
No, don't use not
No,
good
no,
trade.
I'm good. I'm good.
They have a spawn advantage.
Yeah, sure.
It's such an
Blow that
interesting
up.
spot. Hurts a lot. Okay, they got no changes.
Okay, that was a good hold while it lasted.
Yeah, we got overtime.
Where you want to choke them? Yeah, as soon as possible, or
Probably at the bridge, because right there it's
Bridge,
kind of difficult.
alright. watch out, they got someone flanking.
Yeah, I hear that. John. I got my ult.
Alright, mine too.
Get, okay, Ryan's done. Oh, not Ryan, bro. I'm pinned. I'm
Blur,
dead.
point at me.
Careful with the Ryan.
Damn it.
Yep. Coming in with my ult. Just keep it,
Got the Rhine. Shit, I got
oh my god, thank you. There we go.
Hawks left side, Hawk left.
Yeah.
They're on the point.
Low, he's really low. I'm low.
He's healing.
Oh, I'm down. Good.
Got Doom.
I'm dead. Oh my god. Save you. Get down, Moira, please. There we go.
Okay, push forward.
Yeah, push.
Right here. This corner.
Okay.
Someone stick back and watch for a snake.
We got McCree going right.
Yeah, no, they have no time.
Great job.
Good.
Nice. Alright.
Not bad. I'm not gonna say nothing about how we're gonna do. I always feel like I jinx it.
I'm gonna go left through the small room, set up in there. You guys don't necessarily have to go, but one person would be.
Yeah, no, it'd be
Nice backup.
best.
Which one I'll go? We can do that.
Yeah, you get. Or Zarya would get full charge. I can block with the shield just in case.
Sorry, I missed that. What's that time?
Oh, we were talking about going left through the lost and found.
Okay.
It's a good angle for me. We pick 2 or 3, and then we can just take the point quick.
Together,
Yeah.
we are strong.
They're gonna lose.
Really, we're all gold, but together we're diamonds. Alright?
Let's not oversell it.
You guys want Lucio instead of Zen? Or is it Discord help?
It's up to you, my boy.
Together
Which one do
we're
you
more
feel
like a
better?
cubic zirconia, I think.
You can go for speed or damage.
We're not
damage.
bro.
Damage.
Yeah.
Alright.
You going left?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
lost the
left.
fountain, yeah.
Doom is doing his own thing. So
Yeah, Doom zooms on his own magical journey.
Yeah, Doom can take care of himself.
It's pretty sparse out here actually so far. Yeah, they're trying to choke further back.
Torb left side, return.
just take it
Got
down.
it.
Okay, I'm going in. Stagger down, basically. There we go.
Beat got me.
Turret going up, turret down.
Nice. Easy down. Nice.
Yeah, that worked.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that
They
works.
kept-
Really.
I'm fully charged.
Yeah, I'm 68 on my health. Oh shoot, the payload. Wait, hold on. Yeah.
Nice.
Now there's a turret there.
Oh, they're just giving me alt. Just hand it to me. Ah, shit.
So they're gonna
That
try
creature's up here.
the bridge. Or they're probably just gonna hold it.
Be left.
Oh, I got them, but I died. That was a waste of my time.
Just like in training.
Bit too aggressive there.
Do you think a Winston would be better?
Why is the payload
No, I
stopped?
don't. Against the turret, I don't think that would.
I think we're good. It's really got to just push it like another couple feet. I mean,
Okay, let's move left. So we
yeah,
don't
it's
take
just
it
go left. Left high, left low. Left high.
left.
Oh yeah, this is good.
It's great.
Torb's dead.
Sorry, it's
Oh,
low.
I blocked him off the back.
Sorry,
That's
dead.
it.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Keep the Moira
Someone,
off.
someone on
Moira. Nice. Good job.